Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to enable USB boot options on your Dell Inspirion laptop. In my case I have an iCore 3 which is an Inspirion 3000 model. So what you're going to do first, you're going to power on your PC and you're going to click F12 immediately after powering on. So that takes you to the boot options. So on the boot options, as you can see, it's preparing to go to the BIOS. So what we have here, we don't have the USB boot options to select from the boot menu. And this is something you have to check in your BIOS system. So in my case here, to go to the BIOS system, I'm going to restart the PC so that by clicking Ctrl Alt Delete, but would have gone with that option down. Then I'll go and click F2 to go to the BIOS system, the BIOS setup. So the PC is going to switch off and then to restart again. So you have to wait. So it has turned off. And you have to make sure you have battery when doing this. So it's going to the BIOS, preparing to go to the BIOS system. So when you reach here, there are a few things we're going to do. We are going to make sure that we have all these things set up. You have to go to the boot sequence and see these options. If they're the same, you're good to go. We have advanced boot options. If you're going to use a CD-ROM, you can do that. But in my case, we're going to use USB. You go also this side. Then you have these options here, system configurations. You have to go to USB configurations and enable USB boot support. And then click on apply immediately here. So after you apply, you have to go ahead and click exit. This is the only thing that you need. If you go to secure boot, this option, you can leave them as they are. So we are going to go ahead and quit after saving. So when the computer restarts, you're going to go to F12. You're going to go to F12. You click F12 so that we go to the boot menu again and check our changes if they are. Then we have our changes here. We have the USB boot options here, and you just click the down arrow key. Then select that, then click enter. So this will load the Windows files from the USB. After creating a bootable USB, this is the step where you go and install. So in our cases, it may show a Windows logo, but on this laptop it will show the Dell laptop logo. But it's going to load the files and start installing, and it will take you to the options where you install the Windows from. So this is how you can enable USB boot options on your Dell Inspirion laptops, and this would work on other Dell laptops. These are some of the options that you can go ahead and change in your BIOS system. So I'm going to stop from here. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. Give me a like, comment. I'll be able to reply you in a few minutes from now. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.